been a while since I made a video here. Been busy with life, and so have the mosquitoes. They've been really busy too. They've been growing and multiplying in my backyard, and it's getting a little frustrating. We've had a lot of rain just about every day in this area of the country, and I wanted to show you how I set up a mosquito sprayer using Permethrin, which I use for my hunting clothes and everything else. So I usually buy a big container of it from my local farm store, and you can get it on Amazon too, or eBay, wherever online. But I want to show you how I set it up because it's using things I already have at home, just to make life easier and can really get a good application and do it quickly. For those of you that don't know, Permethrin's pretty inert to humans. It's made from a plant extract. It's synthesized chemically now, but it really works good for getting rid of bugs, keeping them out of an area, killing ticks on your clothes. In this case, what I'm going to show you is how I spray some of my underbrush, like this bush over here, to get under the leaves and things like that in areas that are really brushy in your yard to make it more enjoyable to sit in your backyard. Here's the setup. Three things really. I've got a 32-ounce bottle of Permethrin here. This is 10% Permethrin. Unfortunately, the label's gone on this, but I'll put a link and a picture in the video. This was my last batch, and it's pretty much used up now, so I just showed you this kind of bottle size that I get, 32 ounces. And I put, according to the label, 3.2 ounces of the concentrate per 1 gallon into my sprayer. And that seems to be a good application rate. There's other applications, if you read the label, for on clothing, for indoors, for outdoors, on livestock, all kinds of different things. So if you have other uses for it, check the label. I use this 2-gallon pump sprayer, and what I did is I just added a string so I can put this on my shoulder, because I don't want to hold it by the handle here. It's just easier. And then I've got a leaf blower, electric leaf blower. And as you can see, I've kind of horribly whittled out a hole here at an angle. And what I do is I put this nozzle in here at an angle, just like this. And conveniently, the triggers for both of these nozzles line up right with each other. So when I squeeze one, I can squeeze the other one. And I'll put a little tape down here just to keep it from popping out. But the key here is when you do this, you want to set up your spray tip right here to have the finest mist you can without it stopping flow. So that usually requires you pump up your tank pretty high, but get that really, really fine mist, and then you can spray this all over the place, and I'll show you how that goes. So here you can see I've got this handle, this taped on here. Pretty nice. The trigger for the leaf blower is below, and the trigger for the sprayer is on top. I've got this set up here with a little tape to hold it in, and here we go. And I can do my whole yard like this, all the trouble spots in, oh, I don't know, 5 minutes. So it's pretty nice, works really good. It's relatively safe for humans and pets, and just wanted to share it with you. Take care, good luck.
If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.